Comparing the top 3 crypto hardware wallets, Ledger Nano S Plus, Trezor Model One, and ELLIPAL Titan. Cryptocurrency hardware wallets are an essential tool for securing your digital assets. With increasing threats to online security, these wallets provide offline storage, keeping your cryptocurrencies safe from hackers. Among the most popular options are the Ledger Nano S Plus, Trezor Model One, and ELLIPAL Titan. In this guide, we'll dive into a detailed comparison of these wallets, examining their pros and cons to help you decide which one suits your needs best. The Ledger Nano S Plus is a top-tier hardware wallet from the renowned Ledger brand, offering enhanced security and support for a vast array of cryptocurrencies. Supports over 5,500 digital assets, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, as well as NFTs. Regular firmware updates ensure compatibility with emerging assets. A sleek, compact design makes it portable and easy to use on the go. Built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability. Uses a CC-EAL 5+ certified secure chip, providing bank-grade security. Your private keys never leave the device, minimizing the risk of hacking. Features 1.5 MB of storage, allowing users to install more than 100 apps at once. Priced at approximately $79, it's a budget-friendly option for those who want high security without breaking the bank. Unlike its sibling, the Ledger Nano X, it lacks Bluetooth functionality, which could be inconvenient for mobile users. Requires some technical knowledge to set up and manage, which might be daunting for newcomers. While Ledger Live is a robust app, users are tied to it for asset management, which limits flexibility compared to open-source alternatives. Trezor Model One, created by Satoshi Labs, is a pioneering hardware wallet known for its simplicity and security. A straightforward setup process and intuitive interface make it ideal for beginners. Clear on-screen instructions guide users through transactions and operations. The wallet's firmware is open source, allowing developers to audit and improve the security. This transparency builds trust among users. At $59, it's one of the most cost-effective hardware wallets on the market. Supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Regular updates expand its compatibility with new coins. Adds an extra layer of security, allowing users to create hidden wallets that only they can access. While it supports many popular coins, it doesn't cover as many assets as Ledger or ELLIPAL Titan. Relies on 2 physical buttons for navigation, which can be cumbersome for users accustomed to modern touch interfaces. Made from plastic, it feels less premium and durable compared to Ledger Nano S Plus and ELLIPAL Titan. Requires additional accessories like USB-C adapters to connect with newer smartphones. The ELLIPAL Titan stands out as an innovative hardware wallet with air-gapped technology, offering unmatched security. Operates 100% offline, eliminating risks associated with USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi connections. All data transfer is done via QR codes, providing a secure and tamper-proof environment. Supports over 10,000 cryptocurrencies, including NFTs, making it a comprehensive solution for diverse portfolios. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, the wallet is tamper-proof and resistant to physical attacks. Features a 4-inch color touchscreen, offering an intuitive and user-friendly experience for managing assets. Works seamlessly with iOS, Android, and desktop platforms, ensuring versatility for all users. At $169.99, it's significantly more expensive than the Ledger Nano S Plus and Trezor Model One. The larger size and metal build make it less portable compared to competitors. Setting up the air-gap system and QR code scanning can be challenging for beginners. While the ELLIPAL Titan offers excellent security, its proprietary system lacks the extensive integrations of Ledger and Trezor. Choosing the right hardware wallet depends on your priorities, budget, and level of experience. Here's a quick recap to help you decide. Best for users seeking a secure, budget-friendly option with extensive cryptocurrency support. Ideal for those who don't mind using Ledger Live and can manage without Bluetooth. Perfect for beginners looking for an affordable and easy-to-use wallet. Best for those who prioritize open-source firmware and don't need advanced features like touchscreen or extensive asset support. The ultimate choice for maximum security with its air-gapped technology. Suitable for experienced users managing large, diverse portfolios and willing to invest in premium features. No matter which wallet you choose, each of these products offers robust security to protect your digital assets in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.